Crash Courses. Today's crash course is on Mexican pyramids. Amazing, aren't they? Do you think I could build a pyramid like that, Sandra?
Highly doubtful, sir.
I find your lack of faith in me somewhat disturbing, although completely warranted. Anywho, did you know that in some of those pyramids, there are still rooms that have never been discovered?
Yes, I did.
But did you know that some of those rooms are also thought to have booby traps meant to keep looters out?
Yes.
Anywho, I need to go to one of those Mexican pyramids and see if I can discover a booby-trapped hidden room.
That's a horrible idea, sir.
Don't you worry, there's plenty more where that came from. Now, here's today's Fast Facts. Fact number 1. The people of ancient Mexico constructed some of their pyramids to face the place on the horizon where the sun rises or sets at a certain time of the year. Fact number 2. One of the most famous Mexican pyramids is the Pyramid of the Sun. And last but not least, fact number 3. Scientists continue to investigate to try to find hidden rooms in the Pyramid of the Sun. Did you hear that? To the pyramids! Ta-ta! Sandra, I am deep within the bowels of the Pyramid of the Sun. But frankly, I can't see a thing down here in this so-called Pyramid of the Sun. Wait, I seem to have discovered a secret room, but it's blocked by something.
Sir, I wouldn't move anything if I were you.
Lucky for you, you're not me. Blockage moved. See that, Sandra? No risk, no reward.
Sir?
No need to apologize, Sandra. Lesson learned.
But, sir?
No, as my intern, I expect you to learn from my successes and my mistakes! Well, that went well.
It went horribly, sir.